What's up YouTube, welcome back to this new course where I'll be teaching you how to edit vlog videos. So guys, I decided to do this course whereby I'll be showing you how to edit vlog videos. And if it is your first time in the channel, please subscribe and click that bell notification. So obviously there are a couple of things that you need to do before you can be able, so that you can be willing to go with me during this course. So the first thing you need to do is to download a VideoPad. So if you don't have VideoPad, definitely you have to download VideoPad, and I will leave the link to the download so that you can download VideoPad. I'll leave the link on the first comment. I'll just pin the first comment with the link to download VideoPad. So after downloading VideoPad, install VideoPad and open VideoPad. So this is something that will appear. Sometimes if it's your first time, it may show like a single screen. It won't show those two screens. So just click here, then you go to that show URL. So let's just click OK. So if it's your first time, it will appear like this, but I usually I prefer to edit videos using double screen. So you go straight to that option, you click that URL previews, then you click option OK, then it will show two screens. That's the first thing you need to do so that you can be able to work with me on this course. So another thing you need to understand is that when you click a video here, it will only appear this side.
Tell me when you start.
Let me click pause. So the first screen is to show the preview of the videos that you have selected from here. If I select this video, it will show this video only. But what is the function of this screen? So if I decided to take this video, let me drag this video straight to my timeline. So this is my timeline. So here at the timeline, you see this red thing. You have this red thing. It will show me the video of this area of this side. So if I decided to take this right thing, then I put it around this area, so it will show me this side, like that exact thing. So if I choose to play my video from this side, it will play from this screen. But if I click from here, then I'll click play here, it will play the video I have selected from this area. So those are the few things that you need to know before we go to the second episode of the course. So I think that's all for this course. Thank you so much guys for viewing. On the next course, we'll be diving in detail on some of the few things. So one thing that another thing that I would love to mention is that when you're doing vlog videos, you are not aiming to do those special effects where like you turn your eyes to be red, you make some flying effects. It's something which is very straightforward. So adding your clips, adding a couple of transactions, then making your video like to a logical way. So that's exactly what we will be doing in this course. So thank you so much guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and check the next episode. I'll also leave the next episode on the description. Thank you so much.